Indian Premier League, which was suspended following the tensions between India and Pakistan. It was suspended on the 9th of May, is all set to resume on the 17th, which is the Saturday this week. But there are still a lot of question mark on the foreign players who are going to return. As of now, we understand that Cricket South Africa has very clearly told their players that they have to be back in South Africa by 26th of May to be able to leave for England on the 30th of May to take part in the World Test Championship final that begins on 11th of June. Remember, South Africa is one of the sides in the World Test Championship final, the other side being Australia. Now first, let's have a look at which are the players who are now affected. Top on the list is Kagiso Rabada, who plays for Gujarat. Lungi Ngidi plays for Bengaluru. Lungi is already on his way back. He is most likely going to reach anytime soon. Tristan Stubbs, who plays for the Delhi Capitals. Aiden Markram, who plays for Lucknow. Ryan Rickelton, who plays for Mumbai. Corbin Bosch also plays for Mumbai. Marco Jansen plays for Punjab, and Vian Mulder plays for SRH or Sunrisers Hyderabad. Currently, as the situation stands, Gujarat, RCB, Royal Challengers Bengaluru, Mumbai Indians, Punjab Kings, Delhi Capitals and Lucknow Super Giants, all of them are in the playoff contention. We'll get to know next week who makes the playoff or not. But several of these South African players will be part of those teams that will finally make the IPL playoffs. Now, what happens in this case? Well, BCCI has to do a hard negotiation with Cricket South Africa that is very inclined right now to get its players back who have made it to the test team, and the 8 players I mentioned have already made it to the WTC final team. So that's with the South African players. What happens to the rest of them? So far as the Australians are concerned, Pat Cummins is returning. He'll be returning to the Sunrisers Hyderabad fold. There was a lot of uncertainty over Josh English and Marcus Stoinis' participation. We now know that none of them will be returning to play for Kings 11 Punjab anymore. However, the coach of the side, Ricky Ponting, he has been trying to negotiate with the players to come back. Obviously, there is a certain level of fear and uncertainty after what happened. After what happened in Dharamshala, some players have seen the evolving situation. But Ricky Ponting, who is the who's the chief coach of the side, that is Kings 11 Punjab, he returned as soon as he got to know that the ceasefire had been announced. In fact, he was boarding his flight home, but he deboarded. So far as the other coaches, Brad Haddin and James Hopes, they never left India. Delhi Capitals is also waiting to understand what will be Mitchell Stark's stance, whether he's going to come back or not. Jos Buttler, the English player, will be stuck in this club versus country conundrum, because he, who has lit up the stadiums this season playing for Gujarat Titans, he has been picked for the England team to play in the ODIs versus West Indies. That series starts on the 29th of the month. The BCCI is dialing the players. In fact, they have asked the Chief Operating Officer of IPL, Hemang Amin, to speak to all the boards, all the players respectively, and assured them of their safety and security. But at the end of the day, it will really depend on how the players feel about returning to India and being here for the remainder of the IPL, which starts on the 17th, that is Saturday, and ends on 3rd of June.